What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the mini RF1 V2 charge package with a wireless DMX controller. Now for today we're only going to be using 4 of the lights from our case, but remember you can follow these same exact steps if you want to set up even more of your lights. So to do that we're first going to want to set our lights to slave or wireless DMX mode by double pressing the power button until the LED indicator starts to blink twice quickly. We're also going to want to set our light to the same color group by single pressing the power button. So we can either set them to the color of red, green, yellow, or blue. We're also going to want to set our DMX controller to the same color group so that it will automatically and wirelessly link to our lights. Again, we're going to set it to the red color group just like this. So now on my DMX controller, I can activate scanner 1, and now we should be able to use the controller with our lights. So let's go through each fader and see what they do. Starting with fader 1, this will adjust the overall brightness for our lights, so for today, let's raise that all the way up. Next to that, we have fader 2, which will control the red LEDs, so the more I raise that, the more you see the red peeking through. Next to that, we have fader 3 to control the green LEDs. Next, we'll have fader 4 to control the blue LEDs. Then we have fader 5 to control the white LEDs. After that, we have fader 6 to control the amber LEDs. And then after that, we have fader 7 to control the ultraviolet LEDs. So we can use faders 2 through 7 to set the light to a single color, or we can mix and match these faders to make a customized color. So for example, I could raise fader 2 a little bit. Then I could raise fader 3, little bit of fader 5, and then a tiny little bit of fader 7, and then after that I have a fully customized color. We also have fader 8, which will activate the strobe for the lights, so the more I raise fader 8, the more the lights will start to strobe. Next to that we have fader 9 that will set our lights to different modes depending on where we leave it. So for example, if I set fader 9 anywhere from 120 to 159, it will activate the color pulse mode. And then we can adjust the speed for these modes with fader 10 right next to it. So the more I raise fader 10, the faster the pulse mode will go. If you ever get confused on which faders do what, you can always refer to the DMX guide. And also with the DMX guide, you can see which values do what for fader 9, and you can always tell which value you're on with any fader by referring to the screen on your DMX controller. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your mini RF1 V2 charge package with a wireless DMX controller. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.